Welcome to BMW Vault. Here we describe monster construction truck. Don't forget to subscribe. Exterior. Massive size. The monster construction truck stands tall with its imposing size, dominating any construction site. Rugged design. Its robust exterior is designed to withstand the toughest conditions, featuring a reinforced steel frame, oversized tires, and a durable bumper. Bright lighting. High-intensity LED lights illuminate the surroundings, ensuring visibility and safety during nighttime operations. Interior. Spacious cabin. The ergonomic cabin provides ample space for the operator, featuring adjustable seating, a tilt and telescoping steering wheel, and intuitive controls. Advanced technology. The truck is equipped with cutting-edge technology, including a touchscreen display, GPS navigation, and real-time monitoring systems. Comfort features. The cabin is designed for operator comfort, with features like air conditioning, heating, and a premium audio system. Performance. Powerful engine. The monster construction truck is powered by a massive diesel engine, delivering unparalleled torque and horsepower. Advanced transmission. The truck features a state-of-the-art transmission system, providing smooth shifting and optimal power delivery. Impressive payload. With its robust frame and advanced suspension, the truck can handle massive payloads, making it ideal for heavy-duty construction applications. Safety features. Multiple airbags. The truck is equipped with multiple airbags, ensuring operator safety in the event of an accident. Advanced braking. The truck features a high-performance braking system, providing reliable stopping power in all conditions. Stability control. The truck's advanced stability control system helps prevent accidents by automatically adjusting engine power and braking. Specifications. Engine. 12.8L diesel engine. Transmission. 6-speed automatic. Payload capacity. 50 tons. Top speed. 60 kilometers per hour. Fuel capacity. 500 liters. Applications. Construction sites. Ideal for heavy-duty construction applications, such as excavation, demolition, and material transport. Mining operations. Suitable for mining operations, including hauling heavy equipment and materials. Quarrying. Perfect for quarrying applications, featuring high-capacity payload and advanced stability control.